Today we're going to discuss about human eye in optics. So human eyes are most valuable and sensitive organs responsible for vision. They are the gateway to the wonderful world. So this is the thing you have given from the book. Okay, and think about that. If there is no eyes, what will be what will be there? Without eyes, there is no life, and we cannot able to interact it. So we can't able to see the world, how it is beauty. If you can see a beauty of the world through our eyes only. Okay, so we need eyes, and the eyes are the God's gift given to each and every organism, and we the human beings, we are using the eyes to interact with the world, to see the beauty of the world, and even the poet, they will write they will see the world's beauty, and they will write the poems. So, and we also see the world of beauty with our eyes. And in physics, this is was related to the physics. So how it works, how the light rays enters into it, how the image is formed in the retina of the eye, and how it acts, how it works. So that we will going to see in detail in this topic. So structure of an human eye. So the shape of the human eye is spherical, and its diameter is 2.3 centimeter. Remember, 2.3 centimeter, they can ask in one mark. What is the diameter of the eyeball? It is spherical in shape, and the diameter is 2.3 centimeter. And we're going to see the structure. The main important points are sclera, cornea, iris, pupil, retina, eye lens, ciliary muscles. So these only going to play an important role. So first this is the diagram. You can see the spherical shape. Okay, the spherical shape of the eye. And the first point what they had talked about, they had talked about the sclera. Where it is present, it is the outer surface of the eye. So sclera is the outer surface of the eye. And outer surface means, so our skin is also the outer surface. It gives protection to the inner organs. Like that, sclera protects the internal parts of the eye. Okay, it protects the internal part of the eye. And next we will talk about the cornea. So cornea is a transparent membrane. So it is a transparent one which enters the light rays. So you can see in your eyes there is a black part, and the other thing is white in color. The entire portion is called cornea, and the light enters through it. Okay, now you came to know the 2 points. So sclera protects the internal parts of the eye, and cornea, thin transparent layer in front of the surface of the eyeball, and the main function is refractory surface. That is, it allows to enter the light rays. And next we see the iris. So this iris is a different colors: black, brown, blue, and green in color. So the brown is universally present in most of the human beings. You can see the brown color, and in some you can see the black color, and very rarely you can see the blue and green color. And give some of the celebrities' name who possesses the blue and green iris. So the blue iris is seen in Aishwarya Rai personality, and the green color is seen in Hrithik Roshan personality. Eyes, if you note down, means you can see the iris. So for example, I had named the two celebrities. So what is the iris function? Same, controls the light rays entering into the, that is into the pupil, and in a like a camera. If you want a near portion, what you will say, what we will do, you have to zoom the object. If you want a near image, you have to zoom it, or far away image, you have to minimize it. So that work was done by this iris. So it controls the light entering, and it's also adjusting the entering of light. Okay, and the next one is pupil. Okay, so pupil is the center part of the iris. So it is a small, you can also see in the mirror, your eyes, you have a small opening in between the eye, that is in the center of the iris. That small opening is called pupil. So it allows the light rays or to pass on to the retina. So it allows the light rays to fall on the retina. Okay, so you can see here, that is the center part of the iris is pupil, and the pathway of light to retina. So it allows the pathway, that is the light, to enter and fall on retina. And the retina, now we are going to talk about the retina. So the retina is the last innermost layer of our eye, where it contains the nerves, rods and cones. The sensitive cells are present, and the image falls on the retina as real and inverted. So you can see here. So back surface of the eye, sensitive part of human eye, and the image of the object, that is real and inverted image, is formed. So now we will talk about the lens. So lens is the convex lens. So think that you are getting so many light rays, and after refracting, that is after it enters through the lens, it falls at, it brings all the light rays at a point in retina. So at a point in retina. So that is due to the converging capacity or property. It is a convex lens. So our lens, eye lens, is a convex lens. So that only here also they have given. So the eye lens is convex in nature. Next we will talk about the ciliary muscles. So the ciliary muscles are present here. You can see here, no, this two, this side and this side. So what is the function of the ciliary muscles or ciliary body? It will adjust the lens. It will fix the lens according to the object present near or far. So it will adjust, it will accommodate the object as image to how it has to fall on the retina. So it will accommodate, that is adjust according to the object present in far distance or near distance. Okay, so what is the adjustment? The far distance and near distance, and we have talked about so many image formations before. That is before concave, that is before in videos like convex lens for an image formation, concave image formations. So the distance, we are talking about the distance, means the focal length of the object. So the ciliary muscles, that is fixes the lens according to the focal length of the object present. And you can see the optic nerve here. So the optic nerve, what it is doing here, it catches the images, that is in the retina, what we have seen retina. So now you are watching this video in a erect position only you are keeping, but in the retina of our eye, the video falls inverted, the image falls inverted, and the signals are carried through optic nerve to the brain. Okay, optic nerve through the brain, and it receives in a erect way. So think, first you are seeing an object, that object in retina is inverted and real but inverted, that signal is sent to the brain, and the brain adjusts it, that is the brain sending the corrected, that is aligning the correct position of the image and sending through it, and you can see it in an erect image. So this concept is called the working of the human eye. So we can see it, that is how the light rays enters. The light rays enters through pupil, and the light are converged at a point called retina. Okay, and the retina send the, that is the retina sends the, that is it has the optic nerve. So through the optic nerve, the image, real and inverted image, is sent to the brain, and the brain correct it and it sent that as erect image. So the simple way is the working of the eye. So now we will see it. So the light refract by cornea, that is through pupil. By cornea the light is entered. So while entering the light, if it is nearer or farer, who has to adjust? The lens has to be adjusted by the ciliary muscles. So after the adjustment, the light rays are passed into the lens, and the lens is convex lens. So the ray, that is the light rays, are converged at a point. That point is called retina. There how the image is formed, real and inverted. And the image formed is sent to the brain by optic nerve. So from the brain you are receiving it as an erect image. This is the simple working of eye. And they may ask the structure and working of a human eye means, you can write this full topic, and for 7 marks they may ask it. So based on this topic, I had given you some of the questions. The first one is describe the structure of an human eye. Please remember the points. You have to talk about scleria, cornea, iris, lens, pupil, retina and ciliary body. These are the 7 points. So these 7 points you write it and put a diagram means you get 7 marks. And write the working of human eye. The last slide I had given how the light rays enters through the cornea through the pupil, and it is interpreted on the, that is through the lens it is converged at a point and interpreted on the retina as real and inverted image, and it is sent through the to the brain through optic nerve. From the brain corrected and it sent it as an erect image. That is the working of the human eye. And what is the diameter of the eyeball? 2.3 centimeter. Remember this one they may ask in 1 mark. Which layer protects the internal part of the eye? Sclera. What is the nature of the eye lens? Convex lens. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. I will clarify you through the comment box. And if you like the video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.